Three reasons why people lose a lot of money in the stock market. Number one is lack of proper research. Before you buy any stock, you should make research on that stock for not less than 3 months. What you'll be doing for that 3 months is what I'm about to tell you now. The first thing is you should check, you should understand the upward and downward movement of that stock. What are the news that pushes the stock? What is the market cap of that stock? What I mean by market cap is what is the market capitalization of that stock? What is the company of that stock? What is it all about? What are they producing? What are the potentials of growth that stock has? These are the questions you should be able to answer before you put your money into any stock. Number two is emotional decision making. What do I mean by this? There is something they call fear and greed index in the stock market. Inside that fear and greed index, we have extreme fear and then we have extreme greed on the same map. So what this means is that when the stock market comes down to fear position, a lot of people tend to sell their stock. Even their long-standing stocks, they tend to sell it. Now what happens in this situation is that after this fear index has gone, when the stock market will come back, most times it comes back bigger and stronger. Now you have sold your position, you have already sold your stocks, what do you have to gain? Absolutely nothing. So these are things that forms the emotion of people and that leads them to making a lot of loss in the stock market. Number three is lack of proper risk management. This simply means lack of diversification. Now for example, look at the situation whereby you have just $100 in your portfolio and you use the whole of the $100 to buy Nvidia. Now imagine at the situation at the time I'm making this video, the news around Nvidia is saying that China government is saying their companies, the Chinese companies should not buy chips from Nvidia. Now look at the investors in Nvidia right now. They will be like, let me remove my money from Nvidia and invest it into another company that is doing well at the moment, thereby causing a drop in the price of Nvidia stock. Now imagine all your $100 is being put into Nvidia, and Nvidia is going through a lot of things right now, a lot of bad news right now, which will make it to that your $100 to drop to as low as $90. You can see that this is not a profitable decision. Just imagine you have shared that your $100 into, like, if Nvidia, let me put $40 in Nvidia, $10 in Apple, and another $10 in another stock that is also doing well. At the end of the day, if Nvidia is not doing well, the other stock that you have put your money into will probably be doing well at the moment, covering up for the lapses in Nvidia. So if you had now put all your money in that Nvidia without proper diversification, you discover that while others are cashing out from other stock, your own money in the Nvidia will be dropped. If you want to know more about stock market and how it works and how to make a lot of profits from stock market, kindly subscribe to this channel and watch the videos that I will be dropping every week. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.